This video is going to show you how to get rid of an E21 fault code on a Grand Vita Tumbledryer. The code can be caused by a combination of two faults. The condenser is blocked or damp, or the heater element needs to be reset. I'm going to show you how to do both of those things, and you don't need any specialist tools. The only tool you need is a Phillips screwdriver. So we're going to turn the machine off. And I'll show you now what we're going to do with the condenser. So to remove the condenser on this Tumbledryer, you need to grab the latch on both sides, and it simply pops out. Remove that cover, and this is the condenser cassette. So I'm going to open those two latches and pull it straight out. As you can see, the condenser's left a nice little puddle of water on the floor. So we're going to rinse that condenser through to get rid of all the grime. You can see inside there a lot of grime, so it needs to be rinsed through and dried properly before we put it back into the machine. Try and get the water through all of the fins. The elements here need to be rinsed through. Sometimes they catch the lint from the clothing as the Tumbledryer is working. That looks pretty good now. We've managed to get most of it out. What we'll do is we'll leave that to dry, and we'll come back to it in about 30 minutes when it's completely dried through. Next job we need to do is to remove this cover. There's a number of screws around the outer edge. We're going to remove those with the Phillips driver. I'll do that now. So I've isolated the machine from the mains, so I've plugged it out. There's no risk of an electric shock at this point. Now, as you can see behind this cover, there's a small switch. We're just going to press that button, and that resets the thermostat on the heater element in the Tumbledryer. So we just put the screws back in and secure this cover back in place. You can take the cover off the whole way if you like. I just find it easier and quicker to do it this way. That's the last one. So I'll put the machine back into its position, and then I'll show you what's next. So I have the machine back in its position. I have the condenser fitted back in and the cover on. I'll show you the next job now. So as you can see, the machine's back in. I haven't switched it back on yet. We have some towels in the dryer, so we're going to switch it to bed and bath. So it's time to switch the machine back on and see is our E21 fault code gone. So it showed up the last code initially when we turn the machine on, but the E21 code, as you can see, is gone and the machine is ready now to start again. Let's see. There we go. That's a job easy done with a Phillips screwdriver. So that whole job took about 10 minutes. And if you can do this at home, it's very easy and you'll save yourself about 70 or 80 euros on a call out fee for a technician to come in, and he's just going to do exactly the same thing I showed you. So that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.